How to reset the home screen layout in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last and here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset home screen layout. Now click on it and then again click on reset home screen layout. So this is the way to reset the home screen layout in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.